Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to be walking you through the comparison of two great giant AI image editors. We have Fotor and Dall-E 2. AI image tools are exploding in 2025, but which one should you use, Fotor or Dall-E 2? Today we're breaking down their strengths, weaknesses, and which one is worth your time. Stick around, this show might actually surprise you. When it comes to ease of use, Fotor is super beginner friendly and has drag and drop edits, while Dall-E 2 is more advanced and needs text prompts. When it comes to AI power, Fotor is great for quick photo enhancements and filters, while Dall-E 2 has insanely creative because it can generate anything from text. When it comes to pricing, Fotor has a free plan. It also has affordable pro plans, while Dall-E 2 is actually pay per use, so it can get pricey. When it comes to speed, Fotor has instant edits, so there's no waiting, while Dall-E 2 takes a few seconds to generate. When it comes to customization, Fotor is strong on presets and templates, while Dall-E 2 has unlimited unique creations. And lastly, let's look at what they're best for. Now, Fotor is best for social media posts and quick fixes, while Dall-E 2 is best for artists, marketers, and wild ideas. So in summary, Fotor is like your quick photo editor buddy, while Dall-E 2 is the mad scientist of AI art. If you need fast touch of Fotor, if you want mind-blowing AI art, Dall-E 2 is the best bet. But which one wins for you? Let us know in the comment section. But do not forget that if you need speed and simplicity, Fotor is the best choice. If you crave endless creativity, Dall-E 2 should be your pick. Which one do you prefer again? Drop your comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI showdown. See you in the next one.